Assalamu alaikum, my dear brother and sister, and everyone. First of all, I would like to say I am not good at all. I hope that you are not good, and many people in Bangladesh because of for Hadi brothers. You know that last week, one Friday, Hadi brothers was shot, and yesterday, Hadi brother funeral Janaza was held. Hadi brothers was born in Bangladesh at Jhalokati in of the year 1993. He lived only 32 years. He was a good speaker. He was he was a English teacher, and also he was a good instructor IELTS. He established, he founder of Income Monso. His special dream was he wanted to establish insaf justice all over the Bangladesh. He was a candidate member of the parliament MP Dhaka 8, and he wanted to become a member of the parliament. So I hope may Allah grant him Jannatul Firdaus, and my humble request, I hope that everyone will be pray for him. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.